Hi, it's Angeline here. We have a special help with Unity STEM and Brutus Monroe design team, and today I'm going to show you how to do some soft no-line coloring on your card. So first, I've already stamped the Barnwall Brutus Monroe background stamp on some Strathmore tone tan paper, and I'm grabbing the Blossomy confection set with this huge birthday cake, and I'm grabbing the Memento Desert Sand ink for some light inking. This would be great for the soft no-line coloring on your card. So to achieve my soft no-line coloring, here I'm grabbing the Pastel Dreams watercolors by Prima Marketing because the colors are so pastely and soft. This will help me achieve the look that I want. And I'm just spritzing some water into the pan and grabbing the colors directly from the pan itself with my water brush. And as you can see here, I'm just mixing colors as I go to create different shades of green. This will create shadows as well. And what's fun about watercolors is you can always mix colors to create new ones. So here I'm just going to paint the rest of the leaves in, and as you can see, you don't really need skills to paint these in. Just add colors and just have fun and paint as your heart wishes. So for the flowers here, I'm starting off with the light pink, and I'm just adding some water as I go along to create lighter shades of pink as well. And here I'm adding the red and mixing it along with the pink to create shadows to the center of the flower. So another tip for coloring is how to identify the shadows and highlights, where to paint them. So just imagine a light is shining on top of your cake right now, and where the shadow will fall is usually like right in the middle of your flowers where the light does not reach, or at the bottom or inside of the tray. So just imagine a light shining down, and you can always know where to add the shadows in. So I'm just gonna let the music play and paint along. So it's time to assemble my card. So because I want to give a distressed edge to the barn wall here that I've already stamped, I'm just tearing the paper manually using my hands to create the rough edge and just adhering it to my card. Next, I've already fussy cut the cake, and I've also stamped the sentiment on some pattern paper, so I'm just adhering those down as well. And next, I'm grabbing the Unity Stamp Aurora sequins here to add more bling to my card. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique, and thanks for watching. Bye!